Hello, beautiful soul. I am so glad you're here because I have a brand new, gorgeous pattern to show you today called Flightengale by Carrie Jelic. I think you're really gonna love this unique shawl with its fun shape. It's gonna make you wanna take wings and fly. This is a really cool wedge-shaped shawl that has been taken to the next level. I don't think we've had anything exactly like this before. You construct it by starting with these two wedges, which form basically a triangular shawl. You begin here and you're gonna work back and forth, and then every 30 rows, you're gonna start adding on a new wedge. So it continues to grow and grow as you add more wedges. And it's such a great shape because it truly circles the shoulders and really stays put without you having to think about it, and I think that is just awesome. And it's truly such a delightful shawl to work because there's a varying number of stitches, there's all kinds of different textures, and all the beautiful colors. It's just really fun, and there's always something to look forward to. And if you'll notice, the wedges are moving along the length of the shawl, but the colors go down the width of the shawl, so it creates a really beautiful flow and rhythm to the design. I just think this will be a really fun journey for you as you knit along. This shawl was made in our luscious and limited edition All Good Things fingering yarn, and it is a dreamy and super soft blend of merino wool, bamboo, and lyocell. It shines, it flows, it feels really lovely next to the skin, and it's just beautiful to work with. So it's a great pairing for this shawl that you want to be nice and flowy and lightweight. And today I would love to give away a set of the yarn used to make this shawl. The colors are Kindness Matters, Grow Wild, and Love Your Future Self. If you want to get entered, just make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know if you have ever made a shawl with a unique shape before. Head on over to expressionfiberarts.com to download the pattern and get the yarn. And of course, while you're there, make sure that you sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. In addition to all the beautiful stitches that you're gonna find in this pattern, you are also gonna find this gorgeous little I-cord bind off. And I love an I-cord bind off because it creates a nice, plump, professional little finish to your project, especially in this contrasting color. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how easy it is to work that. I've knitted a little stockinette swatch here, and I'm going to be working the I-cord bind off in a different color just to make it easier for you to see. So my tail is up here and my working yarn is down here. So I'm just going to go ahead and start by doing a little swish to get the first stitch on, and then the working yarn is on my thumb. So just rotate it up and slide your needle into that, and that's how you work the backwards loop cast on. So we now have 3 stitches cast on. So what we're going to do is start by knitting 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then you knit 2 together, and you can see we're going to be eating up one of the stitches on our actual piece. Now you're going to have 3 stitches on your right needle, so just slide those to your left needle. 2, 3, and we're going to continue repeating all the way down what we've been doing. So start with knit 2, 1 and 2, and then knit 2 together. And we're eating up another stitch on our actual piece. Slide those back down, 1, 2, 3, and just keep repeating. Knit 2, and then knit 2 together. And then slide them back onto your left needle. And when you're finished, you're going to have this beautiful little plump I-cord edge. So I hope you enjoy making this beautiful shawl. Be sure to go ahead and download it at expressionfiberarts.com, and make sure that you check back every Friday because we do release new patterns virtually every Friday, and they are usually free for a limited time. So enjoy your week, and I will see you next week with another new pattern. Bye!